This is how to delete Roblox account permanently. So first of all, you need to launch a web browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. From this page, you need to go to Account Info section and then scroll all the way down. Now from this page, you need to go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. And there you'll get the option of account deactivation and deletion in the bottom, which is below the blocked users option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now here you'll get the option of deactivate. Remember that deactivating your account is reversible. It means that it's temporary. Your profile will be hidden and you will not be able to use Roblox. But if you log back in with your username and password, you'll be instantly logged in with your account. But this is temporary. So if you want to permanently delete your account, you need to go ahead and tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select Help and Safety. Go to the Help Center, or you can directly roblox.com/support. And here enter your username, your first name, your email address, confirm your email address, select your device, then go to the Help category, select How To. Go to the Help Stop category and select How To General. And here describe your issue. Tell them that you want to permanently delete your Roblox account and then tap on Continue in the bottom. Roblox will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours and help you solve the problem or go with the process. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.